Welcome to Acme School YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about 2D and CSS animations course. So, let's start with what is animation. Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. Second, you should be familiar with 2D animation. It is the art of creating movement in a two-dimensional space. This includes characters, creatures, effects, and backgrounds. Third, you must be aware of CSS animation. It is a proposed module for cascading style sheets that allows the animation of HTML document elements using CSS. Let's move to the next slide to know what you will be learning in this course. First, transforming your website's elements using CSS. Second, transition animations in CSS3. Third, keyframe animations in CSS3 and one mini project. Fourth, you will be having a project on fish tank animation. Fifth, card flipping and more. Let's go through each point in some detail. What is website's elements using CSS? It is a pattern of elements and other terms that tell the browser which HTML elements should be selected to have the CSS property values inside the rule applied to them. The element or elements which are selected by the selector are referred to as the subject of the selector. Next, you will know about transition animation in CSS3. So here, CSS transitions provide a way to control animation speed when changing CSS properties. Instead of having property changes take effect immediately, you can cause the changes in a property to take place over a period of time. Next, you will know about Keyframe Animations CSS. A keyframe in animation and filmmaking is a drawing or shot that defines the starting and ending points of any smooth transition. The keyframes rule specifies the animation code. The animation is created by gradually changing from one set of CSS styles to another. During the animation, you can change the set of CSS styles many times. Specify when the style change will happen in %, or with the keywords from and to, which is the same as 0% and 100%. 0% is the beginning of the animation, 100% is when the animation is complete. Tip: for best browser support, you should always define both the 0% and the 100% selectors. Note: use the animation properties to control the appearance of the animation, and also to bind the animation to selectors. Next, you will be given a project on fish tank animation, as discussed above in the syllabus. Here, as you are seeing an example of fish tank animation. You will be provided a complete guide, or a helpful tutorials regarding animation project. But, this will be provided to you when you buy 2D and CSS animation course. Next, you will also learn the card flipping. Card flipping, or say flip cards, are the cards in which your website that will flip when you hover your mouse over them. There will be information, links or images in the back face of the card, which will be visible when you hover over the cards. Learn how to create a flip card with CSS by having a 2D and CSS animation course online. Let's talk about its minimum eligibility. The basic minimum eligibility for this course is 8th pass out and basic knowledge of computer. Don't worry if you don't have basic computer knowledge, you can apply for basic computer course first with us, and then you can proceed to 2D and CSS animation course by following link as given in the description. Thanks for watching a video. If you have any query or doubt, you can write us at admission@acmecolinschool.com.